This is a 2018 Mini Cooper Clubman ALL4, manufactured in September 2017, but technically a 2018 model. We're doing the engine filter, cabin filter, oil, and oil filter. The engine filter, pretty easy. 3 Torx 25 bits, piece of cake. The oil is a 17 millimeter plug underneath with a Torx 55 bit for the oil filter drain plug, but otherwise not too crazy. The real crazy one has been the cabin filter. Now the air conditioner cabin filter, this was ridiculous. It was tough to find anything online on this, and I finally found a few hints from some people on some forums. So here's a video of what to do. So this is the kick plate right above the passenger's feet. You remove this, and then there's this kick plate on the left, to the left of the passenger's feet, and you remove this. All of these, this is one Torx 20 bit, and then the plate that was up here, there's a Torx 20 bit on each side of it. So both of those come down. You disconnect the, if you want this, the kind of accent lighting on this panel so you can get it out of the way. And then you do some crazy yoga positions. And there's a little door up here that you open, and there's your frickin' air filter. So it's 2 little pieces. So you might need some pliers to remove them, but essentially you pull out one, and then there's another one under it, and you lift it up and pull it out too. Notice the airflow is blowing towards the back of the engine, so, or towards the back of the car. So make sure you put your filters in the right direction. So there's one, yeah. So airflow should be like that, towards the back of the car. And then you can get new ones from your favorite online retailer for, I don't know, these are like 10, 15 bucks. So hopefully that'll save some of y'all a lot of time. Good luck.